And we start this news brief in Brazil, where the Supreme Court has ruled that Judge Sergio Moro was biased in convicting former President Luiz Inácio Lula da Silva of corruption in 2017. The move is the latest in the vindication of Lula after all the convictions against him were overturned, meaning he is now free to run for office next year. Our correspondent Brian Muir has the story.
Landmark ruling, the Brazilian Supreme Court has just judged that former Lava Jato judge Sergio Moro, who put ex-President Lula in prison in 2018 in a ruling that has subsequently been overturned for lack of jurisdiction and illegal forum shopping by the Brazilian Supreme Court, is now the suspect in a felony criminal investigation into the issue of partiality or bias from a judge. It was a bit of a roller coaster ride today as Judge Nunes Marques, who was a recent Bolsonaro appointee, judged against opening an investigation into Sergio Moro, but in a last-minute move, Justice Carmen Lucia reversed her vote, enabling the investigation to move forwards against Sergio Moro. In her ruling, Justice Lucia cited 4 reasons for why the former Judge Moro should be considered a suspect in violating Brazilian principles of partiality. She ruled that in March 2016, then Judge Moro created a media spectacle over a simple event of the former president coming into a courtroom to testify in the investigation. Secondly, she ruled that Moro had illegally wiretapped Lula's defense lawyer's office, his family members, and the former president himself. Third, she ruled that he had selectively edited some of these wiretapped conversations and leaked them to the media in an attempt to damage the image of the former president. And finally, she said that he violated principles of partiality when he illegally leaked sealed plea bargain testimony by former economics minister Antonio Pelosi 1 week before the presidential elections with the apparent intent of damaging the candidacy of Workers' Party candidate Fernando Haddad. The month of March started with former President Lula, already convicted of crimes related to the Lava Jato investigation, and Sergio Moro being cited as a possible presidential candidate for next year. The month of March is ending with Lula completely innocent, with all of his charges thrown out, able to run for office next year, and Moro on the verge of becoming defendant in felony criminal case.